Or should I stand? Okay, everybody, we're going to get started. We're going to start the live stream in just a second. Greetings. Thank you for another data science event. We have a wonderful presentation for you all this evening. We have Python for data logistics and relational technologies. Ken Farmer with IBM we're very, very fortunate to have him. He's an expert and data architect into some of the new methods that we're using to organize, sort, and clean data. This is especially true as the traditional ETL methods don't work very well with larger and larger data sets. We're also very fortunate to have Donna Burbank, who will be giving a presentation on relational technology. She's with CA Technologies and is a noted author. And I'm really looking forward to learning from Donna and learning from Ken about these very important topics that all data scientists need to be aware of. Just wanted to give you a brief overview of what the data science group is doing. We have some new sponsors. We have Cloudera, Tableau, O'Reilly Media, and another sponsor that should be coming on shortly. So I'm very thankful to these wonderful companies that are willing to sponsor us. Next month, we're going to have an event up in Boulder, Colorado. I think we're setting it for July 23rd. It'll be at the University of Colorado Boulder, and we're going to have Dr. Richard Loft from NCAR doing a presentation on climate analytics. And we also have Dr. Arvind Sathi, who's a data scientist from IBM. Also, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. We're planning a combined meetup group, pool Hawaiian barbecue luau. We'll combine the three big data meetup groups, the Boulder Denver Big Data Meetup Group, the Big Data for Business Meetup Group, and the Data Science Group together. And we're going to have a Hawaiian barbecue pool party at my pool up in Stapleton at the Jetstream pool. And we're planning that for Friday evening, August 23rd. It'll be a private party. We're going to have a DJ. It'll be catered. We'll have kegs of beer. And so I will be hopefully making an announcement in the next week or two. We have 2 definite sponsors and 1 tentative. I'm looking for 3 sponsors. So hopefully we'll get the 3rd sponsor in short order. Thank you all for coming today. And I'd like to present Ken Farmer.
Thank you, Michael. Can you guys hear me okay?
Yes.
Excellent. I came down with a brutal cold. I'm a little giddy on cold medicine at the moment. So my apologies if I ever seem to get too excited. It's because I've got a lot of cold medicine. All right, let's see. First, a little bit about myself. I work as a data architect at IBM, and I'm responsible for their security and compliance data warehouse. I built it about 10 years ago with another colleague in about 17 days. Since then, we've been incrementally adding to it. We built it using Python to handle all the data movement. Prior to that, I've been working in data warehousing for about 10 years beforehand. I worked directly with a lot of best-known authors in the industry, and spent most of this time wrestling with data logistics more than any other aspect of the problem. I got interested in talking on this topic when I was at Strata in San Francisco about 2 years ago. There was an excellent O'Reilly conference on data science and big data. And at the conference, there was a panel discussion with some of the emerging luminaries in our space. And there was a consensus that managing data, data validation, transformation, data movement was the hardest part of the job. And when asked by an audience member about tools and methods to make that easier, the panel couldn't come up with anything. And this is because of the whole data science space really comes more out of academia, whereas data warehousing comes more out of the corporate area. And there really are tools and methods to help out. They are no silver bullet, but they help. And they beat the heck out of trying to invent your own techniques without prior art to look at. And so that's why I'm here to talk about this. Clicker. Excellent. Okay, so